Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Payday 3 not working on PS5. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So first fix that you can try to do is to update your game. So a quick update can sometimes work wonders and restore stability to your game. And if that still doesn't work, try performing a reset on your PS5. Though it may seem unusual, often the most straightforward fixes are the most effective. So simply restart your console and to see if it helps. And then to repair issues and enhance performance, Sony frequently releases system updates for the PS5, so make sure your console is running the most recent software. So incompatible software might cause problems with new games like Payday 3. And as a last resort, you can also try reinstalling Payday 3. So while there's no guarantee it'll work, it's worth a shot. So if it still doesn't work, unfortunately, we'll have to wait for Sony and Starbreeze to come up with the fix. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.